Okay, everyone, this is BG Customs back again, showing the 2003 Cl55 Widebody kit, fiberglass kit. It is painted. I have not wet sanded it yet. I just pulled it out of the garage. Just got finished putting everything back together. It's been a long time coming, man. So here it is as of now. Like I said, it's not complete. I still have to wet sand it. Then I'll put the emblems back on, the badges, the Cl55 and the AMG. I put the gold accents on already. I even put the gold AMG emblem on the hood and the trunk, just so that I can get an overall view of what the car is going to look like. I decided to go with the gold front lip, another little gold accent right there to go with the wheels to make that pop. I mean, I think this thing came out beautiful. Look at that wheel. I decided to do the AMG, do the red calipers. I put the AMG badge back on there. They were silver, but they didn't stand out enough for me, so I decided to paint them red. Look at the detail of that, man. That is gorgeous. Look at that there. So once I wet sanded it, I mean, it's going to be crazy. I raised it up slightly. Just I put that lip on there coming off the curb in the driveway. I had to make sure it wouldn't scrape. So I raised it up about 6-7 millimeters all the way around. Just because I've been testing it, the suspension with just me in there. I keep in mind that once I have a passenger with me, it's going to be a little bit more weight. So I want to make sure that nothing rubs. I mean, I've done a lot of trimming and cutting to make sure that it doesn't, but I don't want to risk it if it's something I could have prevented, because fiberglass is not like regular polyurethane. It's not like metal. It doesn't flex much. It will crack very easily, so you don't want to put unnecessary stress or pressure or wheel tire rub on the fenders. So do everything I can to avoid that. So what do you think? No spoiler. I decided to go without the spoiler. Crazy, man. So once I wet sand it, it'll get rid of all the runs. There are a few runs on the sides and in the back that I have to take care of. So wet sanding to get that out the way. It's a little dusty. You might be able to see that in the video. I mean, it's been in the garage, man, for since the paint job has been in the garage. It hasn't been pulled out yet, obviously. A lot of paint work and stuff going on, man, around it. A lot of fabrication of the fiberglass, trimming and mods. So it's a little dusty, but I think it came out good. I think the gold looks good. First I was kind of scared because it's such a bold, deep gold, but I think with the little gold accents, it's all coming together. There go the emblems right there. That's gorgeous, man. Get a little buttons right there on the sensors, where the sensors go in the rear bumper. I don't have sensors on this model, so I just did that just to give a little flavor. But the front looks good. This is the first time I've seen this car in daylight. I mean, it's been in the garage with just garage lighting, man. So pretty happy with that. There's a gold badge right there. So I went with the red seatbelt pads. I figured that the AMG brake pads would, go along with that, man. Make that all come together and make sense. Looks good, man. I love these wheels. Very impressed. I said I can go lower suspension wise, but I'm gonna keep it like that, man, because this is not going to be a show car that's going to be trailered around. It's going to be something that's going to be driven. So like I said, it's not worth the risk of causing something to rub and crack. So it's going to be a daily driver. Well, not daily. I have a couple other cars, but it's going to be driven on the road. Okay, so let me know what you think, man. I like how it turned out. Give me your opinion. Oh, let me close the door. Here it is, baby. Brandon, aka BG Customs, out.